As a salesperson, we need a tool that allows us to take data from different systems and merge it into one unified view. That tool we're going to be looking at today is called Popdock. It's a third-party tool sold by eOne Solutions on a subscription basis. It allows users to pull data from on-prem systems or cloud-based systems. It's like SmartView or SmartList in GP, but way better. It allows you to combine data from different systems in one view. Let's get started. So the first thing we do is we log into Popdock system using our browser. So I've gone to popdock.com, logged in, and I have a list of different views that are available to me across the top here, and I can create my own views. Let's start off with a basic customer view. So this is a customer view looking at pulling customer data into a list. As you can see, similar to SmartView or SmartList in GP, I have customer ID, name, phone number. I can even add new columns. I just click on columns here, and if I want to see state, for example, I will add that column. Other thing I can do is drag state at the top here, and I can now group by state and see the balance by state. So I'm seeing customer balance, and I can expand this and actually see which customers make up that particular balance, all from one. So very, very simple to work with. I could even search for data within this list. So, let's just say I want to search for a particular value city. It'll look for that particular value. I can set favorites. I can apply filters. So very powerful. I can even export the data from here as well. So very powerful process. Let me just jump to another list. So let's say we have a list of invoices here. I'm just going to jump to that. Let's just close the column list down. So a list of all my invoices, customer name and totals, which is great. But let's say I want to actually see the line detail. So I have two separate lists. I have invoice line items, but I can combine those in one list where when I actually select a particular invoice number, I can expand this and I will now see the invoices that make up that particular invoice number. So using Popdock, I could pull a list of customers from my CRM system, for example, click on a customer and then see the invoice details, pulling data from my GP system as an example, or Business Central, or just another SQL database, all within one list here. You can also pull data, like I said, from inside of SQL lists or inside from D365. So there's lots of different connectors. If I want to create a new tab, I just click Create Tab. I can find data using a specific connector. So I only have 3 connectors here as an example, but I could add more connectors that I can pull data from. And then another example is you may have a SaaS application that's online showing your quote data. I could pull that into this list as well if that API was available to me as an end user. Using another one of these lists, I could apply a filter once again. I could add a filter. I could add as many particular filters as I want. I can say do the similar things I could do with SmartView or SmartList. So this is just covering very high level of what Popdock is. If you'd like to learn more about Popdock, please contact Profit by visiting our website at www.profit.ca. Thank you.